Fun&Fun creates smart essentials that make everyday life easier and more enjoyable. We present two key strengths of Fun&Fun Inc. Our lineup includes ice makers, folding carts, diffusers, carry-ons, and cordless hairdryers. We provide a versatile range of products for daily life, travel, and outdoor adventures. Each product combines practicality, safety, and sleek design to elevate modern living. We use eco-friendly and high-quality materials that ensure durability and peace of mind. Our folding carts are compact yet sturdy companions for effortless mobility. The Smart Diffuser delivers ultra-fine mist in a sleek, minimalist design. The ice maker creates large, clear ice with quiet efficiency. Enjoy effortless styling anywhere with a lightweight cordless hair dryer. Travel light and smart with a compact 18-inch carry-on design for everyone. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us.